Welcome to e-learning platform of Christ College. Today we discuss about environment factors. Mainly in this class we deal with climatic factors. You all know what is an environment. Environment is the surrounding of an organism that can be interact each other. Environment is the aggregate of all those things. That means including climate, edaphic, physical and biotic factors. Set of conditions which directly or indirectly influence not only the development or growth and quality of life of individual organism but also the communities at a particular place. That means environment is total amount of biotic and abiotic factor. Now we discuss about environmental factor into four groups or four factors, that including climatic factors. Second one is edaphic factors and physiographic factors and biotic factors. In this class, we mainly focus on climatic factors. Again, environmental factors is divided into biotic, abiotic. Biotic means living, abiotic is the non-living organism. In these non-living factors, we classified into climatic factors, that is related to air, and edaphic factors related to soil, and last category is the physiographic factors. First, we discuss climatic factors. The study of climatic factors is known as climatology. It is chiefly determined by meteorological influence as relative humidity of air, temperature, wind pressure and evaporation rate. These factors related to the aerial environment of an organism include light, temperature of air, humidity of the air, precipitation and gaseous component of atmosphere including wind. These type of climatic factors, that is a temperature, wind, etc., humidity are the influence as considered as a climatic factors. In this, first we again going to light. Light is an electromagnetic radiation that can be detected by the human eye. There is an electromagnetic spectrum is there. Electromagnetic spectrum is the arrangement of energy according to wavelength, that is starting from alpha and X-rays or radio waves. A small portion of electromagnetic spectrum we can visible to our eye is known as light. Light including mainly 7 colors and it is a visual. A beam of light is pictured as a shower of particles called photons. Each photon carry a certain amount of energy called quantum. That's light is a electromagnetic radiation and we can see it through our light. Light is usually measured by an electric instrument called light meter. That's an instrument that is used to measure the light. Light is one of the non-living factor of the environment. It is measured by light meter or otherwise it is called lux meter. Or again it is called photometer, which consists of a light sensitive photoelectric cell. Light is the main source of energy for entire biosphere. In the previous classes, we discussed about photosynthesis, energy production, primary production, etc. Light has far-reaching effect on the flora and fauna of a particular region. These are the significance of light and the usefulness of light. Then effect on light on plant. Effect on photosynthesis. There is a total solar energy reached to the earth. Only 2% is used in photosynthesis and about 10% in other physiological activities. Green light is completely reflected by green part of the plant, making them looking green. In the process of photosynthesis, large amount of uh, solar radiation is used. That is only 2 to 10% usable. Then this light have effect on growth, shaping of an organism, and effect on transpiration, etc. is there. Next, edaphic factor, that is temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body or environment is known as, that is a temperature. Temperature measure of an average kinetic energy of particles in a sample of matter expressed in terms of unit or degrees designated on a standard scale. The degree of heat in the body of a living organism usually about 37 degrees Celsius, that is expressed in degrees Celsius. If converted to Fahrenheit, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit in humans. Then effect of temperature on the environment. There are two effects on temperature are found in the environment. That is, temperature has effect on growth and development of species. Temperature has effect on distribution pattern of species in different places. There is we can live in a colder temperature or we can live in hotter temperature. For example, in Himalayan rabbits carry the C gene, which is required for the development of pigments in the fur, skin, eyes, and whose expression is regulated by temperature. Next is the effect of temperature on the environment. A desert is a landscape that receives very little precipitation and high temperature. This special temperature help to grow some special species in the region, that is called cactus, palm trees, camels, etc. Again, that is a third edaphic factor is the precipitation. Precipitation is any product of the condensation of atmospheric water vapor that fall under gravity on the earth. The main form of precipitation include rain, sleet, snow, and hail. Then importance of precipitation. Rain is one of the source of water to the water bodies. Rainfall is important for soil moisture. Soil moisture is important for agriculture, soil organism, soil reaction, etc. Another name of this type of precipitation is called water vapors. It is useful for the development of human activities. Rain is another form of water. Then snow, fog, dew, mist, drizzle, glaze, sleet, etc. Then thank you.